Welcome to today's video. Let's dive straight into the chaos. We've got two wild clips lined up. First, a rude, immature man getting absolutely shut down by an outstanding judge, and second, someone finally realizing a credit card bill isn't something you can magically pretend doesn't exist. Before we begin, a quick thanks to Ground News, a platform that pulls together global news into one hub. It reveals each outlet's political slant and factual reliability so you get a clear, complete view. For instance, recent reports on a Phoenix dust storm came 95% from highly reliable sources, with 58% coming from centrist outlets. One standout feature is the blind spot tool, which exposes stories heavily covered by one side but ignored by the other, helping you steer clear of skewed narratives and stay fully aware. You can explore Ground News by visiting their site or scanning the on-screen QR code for 40% off the Vantage plan and full access to all features. Huge thanks to Ground News for supporting today's video. Now let's jump into the first clip and watch things unfold.
Watch your step.
Case number 25S00791. FY, People State of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby.
Secretary on behalf of the people.
Illinois, P87446, Stephen in for the attorney of record, John Zarnik, and appearing on behalf of Mr. Dansby, who stands to my right. Mr. Dansby, can you please state your full name for the record?
My name is Timothy Dansby, and I'm often represent myself, and I'll take counsel as an assistant, you know. So I don't know who this being is. I never signed for no representation of counsel, so.
Okay, you don't want a lawyer? You don't have to have one.
I'm gonna need somebody, because apparently I can't get a hold of no paperwork I haven't received my discovery back.
Well, that's what we got lawyers for, sir.
To the cash machine to get to the lawyer very well. I was in the county, so it's paying me hard. So I'm gonna need some type of system.
Okay, well, that's what we got for you. Okay.
I'm gonna represent myself.
Well, we don't have standby lawyers. So either you want a lawyer or you do not.
Well, first is I want to go ahead on with the preliminary.
Okay, well, first of all, you're charged with retail fraud first degree. Now, first degree retail fraud is a felony charge. So the maximum penalty on this charge, let's see.
I believe it's 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years and a $10,000 fine or 3 times the value. You know what? Let me tell you something. You got a happy mouth.
I got a brain to go with you.
You can have a, but you're disrespecting me.
I'm sorry.
Now I'm talking and you just cutting me off. So if nobody said you don't have a brain or anything, you just need to stop talking and listen to what I'm saying.
I'm just going to take a guess here and say that although this guy has 2 fully functioning ears, he's missing the mental machinery needed to comprehend anything being explained to him. Just my personal impression.
All right, so this charge, you have a right to have a preliminary examination on this charge within 21 days of your arraignment date and within 7 days of today's probable cause date. So, preliminary examination is the probable cause hearing, where the prosecution puts on evidence to show probable cause to believe that this crime of retail fraud first degree was committed and that you were likely the one who committed it. And if in fact we have that hearing and they meet that burden, I'm going to send this over to circuit court for trial. If they don't meet their burden of proof, then of course this could be dismissed at this level. All right, so you understand all that. Now, you don't have the discovery because I'm sure your lawyer probably doesn't have it either. Does Mr. Gonick have discovery?
Yesterday, we received paper discovery late yesterday. It will be sent to Mr. Dansby today, and have not received any audio-visual discovery from my understanding.
I like the guy, if you don't mind. Part of motion, you know what I'm saying, for the fact that I haven't been denied, you know what I'm saying, and it's happening about it. You know what I'm saying, and the prosecutor was conduct, we should be my government training, even though
Sure. Okay, that's a lot of talking. Where's the prosecutor? Yeah, but where's the prosecutorial misconduct?
Well, I should have had my.
I'd wager this man might technically be able to hear with both ears, yet he's clearly lacking the cognitive ability required to understand the words being spoken. But hey, that's merely what I'm seeing.
Do you understand how this process works? Well, no, you shouldn't have had your discovery. Because this is the first hearing.
So in the first year, I don't prepare anything if I don't have any paper.
First of all, there is no preparing of anything just yet. Just yet. Because
I'm supposed to just stand here and just like, oh, yes, come on, this is not slavery. This is not the one, I am not the one. I don't care nothing about the United States. First of all,
apparently not.
Court.
You must not care too much about anything, sir. Okay.
I don't even have a license. What's your license number?
First of all, I don't know who you think you're talking to. But do you want to spend an extra 30 days in custody? No, you don't. You don't care. That's why you're here charged with something.
What is your license number?
I don't have to answer you, and I don't answer to you. And I'm not going to start now. You need to settle down. You need to settle down. Okay, take him out of here, please.
You'll get all the discovery materials the moment the prosecutor hands them over, exactly as the judge already stated.
That's okay. He just is having his moments. So we're going to adjourn this, and I'm going to waive the 21-day, 7-day rule for this discovery. Yeah, welcome to Friday. All right, so we'll give you, what do you think? You could just need video?
Understanding, yes.
Okay, so we'll give like a couple weeks to do it.
Yes.
And he's gonna want to see it, so you're probably gonna need to have him take the laptop over there to the jail and take his license to practice law to it.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So the next probable cause conference on this charge is gonna be.
I just, to make the record as regards to that discovery, I do have paper discovery, which Sister Counsel has noted that has been tendered already. I do not have, does not appear that I have audiovisual discovery in my possession, but I will seek it should it exist.
Okay. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, there's not much we can do. But we'll see if it does, and we'll come back on.
Court's available August 25th at 9:30.
August 25th at 9:30, and hopefully your client will have had a chance to review everything, and we'll be a little more settled down.
Mr. Dominic will be in trial in the Wayne County Circuit Court. I can make that date work for myself if you're wanting Mr. Dominic to be here.
Well, we're not holding an exam on that date, so you'll be able to tell us if you want one or waive it. If you think you can handle him, I'm happy to have you come back. If you think Mr. Gonick should handle him, then we'll give you a new date. It's up to you.
I would say in this instance that I would feel more comfortable with Mr. Dominic because he handled his own.
Well, you know what? You got to cut your teeth somehow. We've all had this.
Just don't know.
Ask Miss Gracie. Okay. Ask Mr. Puda. We've all dealt with difficult clients.
We got this race right. He's an expert in this.
I've had my share over the years when I was licensed to practice law. So. By his standards, I'm not licensed. Okay. Yeah. 25th at 9:30 will be good. His bond will be continued. And just have Mr. Gonick visit him and talk to him, and hopefully he'll be a little more settled down.
So, the judge sent the inmate back and then spent a moment speaking privately with the defense attorney. I'm sharing this segment because it's a good reminder that even seasoned lawyers once dealt with that one notoriously difficult client early in their careers.
This is case number 25S00791FY, People State of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby.
Chuck, on behalf of the people. Morning, Your Honor. Ben Gonick, appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams.
Okay, Mr. Gonick, good morning. Sir, come on. Can you get up? Can he move? No? Okay, sir, can you tell us your name? All right, so Mr. Dansby, today is the adjourn date for a probable cause conference on this charge of, this was a retail fraud, first degree. And so last time, Mr. Gonick, you needed some video discovery and you wanted to review all that. So did you get a chance to do that? Okay. Well, he didn't apparently, but did you look at it?
I did not receive it.
Okay, what happened with the video discovery?
I wasn't here in this case.
Huh?
I don't see it even in my file, so, what I can tell the court is, actually, it's his back today, so I'll get it today, so.
Oh, all right. Well, things might have slowed down since she was off. Okay, so you want an adjournment, Mr. Gonick, again? A brief one? I don't know. How long would you like?
Pardon me?
How long would you like it to be?
We have a trial next week starting in front of Judge Rowe, but it's only going to be a couple-day trial.
Okay. Okay, sir, put your hand down. Put your hand down. Okay. The following week.
Yes.
What do we have the following week? Not next week, but the following week.
For just another,
Not another PCC.
for 8th at 9:30.
How about September 8th, 9:30? We'll get to you in just a second, sir.
The only problem I have is that my trial starts on the 4th. It should be done the 5th, but that's Judge Rowe's criminal call, so that'd be
So he won't be doing it during that.
trial.
Yeah.
That's right. That would be.
September 8th at 9:30 then. Now, what do you want to say, sir?
Say, Your that, first of all, this is supposed to be an examination, but I'm not asking for German. I'm asking for multiple. I also want to state just why it's being forced on me, because I can ask for one. I haven't signed for no attorney to be represented, so I don't know why he adjourned something where he's not even, I mean, not even represented. I mean,
You're going to get the information.
I don't get the information, well, I said, thank you,
Sir,
bring to me and review it.
okay, the prosecutor ain't going to bring nothing to the jail. to
Think
review.
about what the law says. I'm going by
Okay.
what he did.
I don't know what law you looking at. Okay, but the prosecutor's not going to bring you.
But I'm an inclusionary member of the bar by the constitutional right. I have the right to be free and prosecute myself by the Constitution of the United States Constitution, which is the highest law of the land.
All I managed to extract from that tangled mess of sentences was the bizarre idea that the Constitution of the United States somehow overrides courtroom procedure. Honestly, this is my first time hearing about a constitution that has its own constitution. So let's find out where this imaginary paperwork takes us.
These individuals, I don't even know if these individuals are even practicing law. I don't even know if they like to practice law.
What they're doing don't matter. They're not on your case, sir. Sir, I'm not trying any facts. Okay? Number one.
Represented by legal lawyers, not personally impersonating lawyers.
Okay, stop. You finished now?
No, I'm not. You told me stop. I'm not finished.
Okay, well, you're finished as far as I'm concerned. So this is what I got to say to you. First of all, we don't allow anyone to practice law that's unlicensed.
But that's not true.
Okay, let me just, I don't do it in this courtroom. Okay, sir, would you stop talking of Wolf? I have to have you taken out of here? Because you don't listen. You don't listen.
I'm an inclusionary. I have a constitutional right to represent
Charles.
Court for.
Now, what I'm trying to tell you is this. The prosecutor can't bring you a video. And the video could be the crux of the case. We don't know what it shows. Your lawyer would be derelict and the person here, this is the lawyer that's here that's been assigned. Okay? So he would be derelict in duty if he didn't get it. to look at it and to try to ask, well, he doesn't have it yet, sir. And then he can ask, and
I'm asking for this due process.
okay, first of all, there's no basis,
In the timely manner.
the motion's denied. There's no basis to dismiss the case. Okay, not right now, there is not. And so he can ask to bring his computer into the facility to show you the video. If he gets it, which apparently the prosecutor didn't have it. This is the normal prosecutor.
Lying on me.
Okay.
I'm like, let's try what for the court.
Okay, well, I'm just explaining to you.
Lying.
I don't know who lied or who didn't.
He got money, never got one because they never intended to go this far. They didn't think that I was going to go this far. Thinking that I'd come back down.
Okay. Well, guess what?
It's something I did not do.
Nobody asked you to take a plea. First of all,
I'll tell you what he asked.
he might have asked you if you wanted to. I don't know what he said. That's between you and him. But the bottom line is he doesn't even have all the information to make a determination.
But they asked me what he did.
Okay, I don't know. I said I don't know what he asked you. That's between you and your lawyer. That's not, I don't get.
Yes, conversations between you and your lawyer are supposed to be confidential and protected. That's exactly how the system works. But when you decide to represent yourself, any conversations rattling around in that vacant space you call a mind are probably best kept right where they are.